You are going to love the 2022 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, front license plate bracket. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.